Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RAV4 Fog Lights is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for RAV4 owners, dramatically improving visibility during fog, rain, or snow, and adding a touch of style to your vehicle. This detailed review will walk you through everything you need to know before purchasing and installing these essential safety and aesthetic enhancements, from brightness and light pattern to ease of installation and overall value, helping you make an informed decision. Number 5. AUTOWIKI RAV4 Fog Lights. These fog lights are designed to perfectly match your Toyota RAV4's original equipment. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a seamless fit and look. They meet strict DOT and SAE standards, so you can drive with confidence. Plus, they significantly improve visibility in challenging conditions. With bright halogen bulbs, it makes you more visible to other drivers, even in heavy fog. Drive safer with increased illumination. These are built to last with high-quality ABS plastic. This protects them from moisture and dust, ensuring long-lasting performance. Installation is a breeze. They're designed for a direct bolt-on replacement, no modifications needed. Simply drop them into place. Please note that these fog lights are not compatible with adventure, trail, or TRD off-road models of the 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4. What we like. It's a direct fit replacement, just like the original part. Plus, it meets all safety standards. If you need a simple, reliable replacement that's easy to install, this is it. What people say. Installed without an issue in 3 hours. Easy fit. Looks factory installed. Perfect fog lamps for my car. Check the alignment after installation and it is spot on, fills in the lighting to the sides and front. Perfect fit 2024 RAV4, great wiring harness with switch. Used add a fuse to ACC to empty space in fuse box in cab with switch which fit and works well with ignition on only. So, it is on its own circuit, it will not void your factory warranty and is on its own fuse. Took me about 3 hours to install but looks factory. I bought those fog light. Because my car when I drive at night I barely see the street, so when I bought those lights. I have no problem to drive my car at night, and the good thing with this product comes with the button and it's very easy to install. Number 4. RAV4 2016 to 2018 LED Fog Lights. Give your Toyota RAV4 a modern upgrade with these stylish LED fog lights. They're designed for a perfect fit and will dramatically improve your vehicle's appearance. These lights offer both bright white daytime running lights and amber turn signals. This dual functionality significantly increases your visibility on the road, improving safety for you and others. They're engineered to seamlessly integrate with your 2016 to 2018 Toyota RAV4's existing fog light assembly. Enjoy a factory-like fit and finish. Made with high-quality ABS housing, these lights are durable and resistant to heat, dust, and corrosion. They're built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. These lights are easy to install with the included wiring harness. Plus, they're energy-efficient LEDs, saving you power and providing a brighter, more consistent light output. Your purchase includes a pair of LED daytime running lights with turn signals and a wiring harness. Professional installation is recommended. What we like. This one has both daytime running lights and turn signals in one. It improves visibility and saves energy. If you prioritize safety and want a modern look, this is a great choice. What people say. Excellent product, I installed it to my RAV4 2017 and it was perfect. Lights are very good looking. Upgrade, replace your broken fog lights with these upgraded units. Stylish and bright LED DRL fog lights make nighttime driving a joy. Number 3. Toyota RAV4 Fog Light Kit. Enhance your Toyota RAV4's safety and style with this premium fog light kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and easy installation. This kit provides an exact OEM fit for your 2019 to 2024 Toyota RAV4. Enjoy a factory-installed look without any modifications. The kit includes bezels, wiring, a switch, and high-intensity halogen bulbs. Everything you need for a complete upgrade is included. These lights provide exceptional illumination, helping you see and be seen in fog or low light conditions. Drive safer with increased visibility. They meet all DOT and SAE standards, ensuring they are street legal and built to last. These are thoroughly tested for safety and quality. Built to withstand harsh weather, these fog lights are designed to prevent moisture and dust from entering the housing. They're made to last. These fog lights are designed for a direct replacement of your stock lights. Installation is quick and easy, with no modifications required. Professional installation is recommended for optimal results. What we like. It looks and functions just like the factory fog lights. It's built to last and provides excellent visibility. If you want a factory quality replacement that's tough and reliable, this is the one for you. What people say. Fit perfectly good quality. Excellent fit on my 2020 RAV4. Fitment was good. Easy to install, snapped into place nice and tight. Quality looked and felt good. Number 2. Cobear RAV4 DRL 2019-2020. These daytime running lights give your RAV4 a stylish, modern look. Make sure to double-check your car model before ordering to ensure a perfect fit. Built with high-quality ABS plastic and an oxidation treatment, these lights are tough and long-lasting. They can withstand a wide range of temperatures and weather conditions. Increase your visibility on the road with these bright lights. They help other drivers see you from farther away, improving safety. These LED lights are brighter and more energy efficient than standard bulbs. They use less power while providing a consistent, strong light output. They shine bright white as daytime running lights, and switch to amber when you signal a turn. It's a simple, yet effective safety feature. Installation is a breeze. Simply bolt them in place and connect them to your existing 12V DC power supply. What we like. It has a modern design that will upgrade your RAV4's look. It's also very durable and enhances safety. If you're looking for a stylish and safe upgrade, this is perfect. Number 1. RAV4 Fog Lights, 2013-2015. Enhance your driving safety with these fog lights, specifically designed for your 2013-2015 RAV4. They provide superior illumination, ensuring you're seen even in challenging conditions. These fog lights are a direct replacement for your existing ones. They seamlessly integrate into your vehicle's design, offering a perfect fit and factory-like appearance. Drive with confidence knowing that these fog lights meet or exceed all DOT and SAE safety standards. They're built to enhance visibility and improve your overall driving experience. Experience the difference of brighter, more focused light. The included high-intensity halogen bulbs cut through fog and rain, significantly improving visibility. Built from high-quality ABS plastic, they are resistant to moisture and dust, ensuring long-lasting performance and a clean look. Installation is a breeze. These plug-and-play fog lights are designed for a quick and easy fit, requiring no modifications to your vehicle. What we like. It's a perfect replacement for older models. It meets all safety standards and is super easy to install. If you need a straightforward, reliable replacement for your older RAV4, this is it. What people say. These appear to be the only whole housing projector LED fog lights you can buy for this model year. I noticed that the passenger side light was tilted rather than parallel like driver's side is. Even though before they were installed I used RTV silicone around the lens and the housing as moisture in these Chinese-made fogs is common. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.